Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your Love Bite. A day late, but it was Christmas on Saturday and well, better late than never. Here it is. Let's see what's going on in your love life and what message wants to show through for you today, Cancer. And of course, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Okay, Cancer, Four of Swords, the Fool, Five of Pentacles in reverse, great, and the World in reverse as well. Eight of Pentacles. Cancer, somebody wants to put in the work, it seems. They're holding on for dear life. Okay. And the Emperor, okay. Queen of Pentacles in reverse, bottom of my spread. So somebody is really, really worried, Cancer. They feel they've maybe not given that offer when the time was right, or pissed off a Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles upright is the person who you are with forever. The spouse, the wife, the partner, the person you really want. But since the Queen of Pentacles is in reverse, I do feel somebody is heavily thinking about what they've done, right? This is like being in retreat and taking some time out to think about what happened, why it happened, wanting a brand new start, maybe wanting to come out of this, the separation or whatever, coming out of the cold, not wanting this chapter to end, wanting to put the work in. But maybe they're a bit depressed right now because this Queen of Pentacles could be holding back. Maybe the Queen of Pentacles has no more trust left. Maybe this Queen of Pentacles is upset and angry with them. But somebody is now willing. Look at this, the Emperor upright. Somebody wants to take charge, take control of this connection. So before we start clarifying these cards, Cancer, let's take some dialogue message cards and let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first, okay? So Cancer and their person, Spirit. Cancer and their person. If they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Thank you. Let's do a few more from here. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Cancer and their person. Thank you. And a couple more from here, Cancer. Cancer and their person. Okay, I think we have enough, Cancer. Let's start. The first card here says, I get so triggered seeing you do things for the karmic that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are we wasting time for? Second card says, it pisses me off as to how your karmic has photos of you all over social media trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. So somebody is really pissed off. Okay, this relationship seems to more like a situationship right now. I feel like you're taking my love for granted. This could be this Queen of Pentacles who's now very upset when feeling rejected or feeling upset and angry. Love and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected and magical feeling I've ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you to infinity. I admire you, I care about you, I respect you, I trust you, and I love you unconditionally. You are my true love. Whether we are together or when we are apart, you're always in my thoughts and forever in my heart. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. Maybe that was the problem. But I think now somebody wants to work on this connection, Cancer. I need some time to collect my thoughts. Yes, somebody is taking that time to collect their thoughts and think about why, what happened and what should have happened and what they can still do to make things work. Okay, so let's start with our angel blessing card, Cancer. And let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. The card you get here, Cancer, is reward. Well, your rewards are coming in, it seems. Your rewards are definitely coming in, and if you are this Queen of Pentacles who has been disrespected, it's also time to reward yourself, because you are not the cause, you're not the cure, it wasn't your fault. So give yourself a pat on the back, okay? Always respect yourself before you even expect anyone else to care or respect about you. Though I do feel it's coming from the other end as well now. The Emperor is, well, sitting ready to take action, it seems. So what's the Four of Swords, Spirit? Sorry. Okay. What's the Four of Swords? Four of Swords. Yes, somebody is heavily thinking, very depressed. Look at the depression, very, very sad and depressed, maybe feeling, wanting to come out of the zone now, feeling left behind or feeling bored, lonely. Maybe they refused or didn't take this very seriously, that maybe they were meant to commit and they didn't, but now that they're thinking about it, they're realizing how much they're missing this Queen of Pentacles. So what's the Fool card, Spirit? Let me put this card here. Okay, what's the Fool card, Spirit? What's the Fool card? Yes, they desperately want to end this conflict that's happened between the two of you, Cancer. They want to end the fight. They want to bring balance, justice, harmony back into this connection. And they're wishing and hoping, that, hey, can we just take that leap of faith and can we just try again? They desperately want to come out of this fight. Five of Pentacles energy of feeling sad and lonely and left behind, desperately wanting to communicate. They want to say something. This no talking is not working for them, it seems. They don't want to shut the chapter down, that's for sure. They want another go around. The World card is in reverse, but they probably don't have the words now. Maybe they lied in the past, and this Queen of Pentacles has stopped talking to them. Now they don't know how to start the communication. What can they say to bring the barriers that have come between the two of you? How do they get them down again? But they are ready, it seems. So they're ready to put in some work. They're realizing that some bad memories have been created. That's why the stoppage has happened. They feel, what if I go now? What if my Queen of Pentacles doesn't want to move towards with me anymore? What if I get rejected? So there are a lot of thoughts going on in this Emperor's mind. Yes, they may have been very selfish and self-centered in the past, but now this person desperately does not want to shut this chapter down. They want one more go around, but I think they have a little trouble right now in taking action. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Four of Pentacles here? Because yes, maybe at that point they refused this Queen of Pentacles, right? That they had a chance to commit and they insulted this Queen of Pentacles. Maybe they had a lot of options that time, or they had other people to choose from and they didn't see the value of this Queen of Pentacles, and now this Queen of Pentacles could be holding back from them, which has put them into a little bit of depression. Now they're realizing, oh my God, I was blindfolded. I didn't see the truth. They didn't want to see the truth, maybe at that point. They were not ready for a commitment. Now they are super depressed, super depressed, and they want to come out of it. The only reason why they are so scared is because now they have to face the wrath of this Queen of Swords in reverse. Maybe this Queen of Pentacles doesn't trust them anymore. Queen of Swords in reverse, Spirit? Queen of Swords in reverse. Yes, they feel now things are totally stuck between us. This Queen of Swords will never trust me again, will never give me another chance. Maybe whatever happened here, it just kind of stopped this wheel from moving forward. And now they could be fearing that this Queen of Swords is going to cut them off, basically. So, Emperor, why are you here then in the upright? Okay, let's give this Emperor the mic, right? Let's see what this Emperor wants to say to us. Okay, Emperor. Okay, so the Emperor says, just give me a second. Okay, so this Emperor says, well, in the past, I was overthinking this connection. I didn't see the truth. I was sitting in my own thoughts, and I well, I was, yes, a bit controlling. Didn't want things to change. I wanted things to go my way. And now I'm stressed out because of my past behavior. This person could have snuck away from the connection, right? In their stubbornness, in their unwillingness to open up, well, they may have escaped this connection. So what do you want now, Emperor? Why are you sitting here in the upright? What do you want now? We know what you did. What do you want to do now? They want a reunion. This is how beautiful. I love tarot. That's why it's straight answers, right? So ask the Emperor, what do you want now? I want a reunion. Why do you want a reunion, Emperor? Why do you want a... Because I'm no longer confused. I've made my choice. The Lover's upright is a card of choice. What do I want? When it's upside down, it's like I've made my choice. Why have you made that choice now, Emperor? Anything else you want to say? Anything else you want to say here, Emperor? What else do you want to say? Emperor says, well, I do want to communicate. I do want to communicate, but I don't have the words right now. I do want to message them because, conversation has really stopped between us. I'm very, very scared to speak up, be the first one to speak up, because I know my Queen of Swords is very upset with me, and I do have a little bit of ego and pride as well. As much as I want this connection, as much as I want to put in work, as much as I want to be that Emperor, I want victory in this connection. Well, I'm a little afraid to be the first one to reach out now, right? Yes, also because they are a little scared. They're a little scared. They are thinking about it, they're planning, but they're not making a move because they don't know what's going on in this Queen of Swords heart. Have they lost the love for this Emperor? They don't know. That's the reason their ego or their pride is keeping them stuck, because they don't know whether that love is going to be available for them anymore. Okay, so yes, that's all I have for you, Cancer. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.